Hello and welcome back to Hadlow College. Today we're going to have a look at some different food that you can grow at home. At the college we always talk about the importance of food and the fact that Hadlow College is based in Kent, and there's so many different businesses, farms, nurseries around us which produce food to supply the country, and this is a really important part of our curriculum. So today we're going to have a look at some of the different foods that you can grow at home, which is really easy. One of the things which you could try growing is potatoes. And all you need is a potato which has started to sprout. So if I come a little bit closer to my cameraman, you can see that this potato has started to sprout here. Just a normal potato that you buy. And some people might say, yeah, but that's been treated with a shoot suppressant, and that's true. So you may not get quite such a good yield as you would from your normal seed potatoes, but it will still grow, and I can guarantee you will still get some potatoes. A really easy way to do it is to have a plastic bag, an old compost bag, and you can just use that to grow your potatoes in it. And ideally you probably want about 3 or 4 of these potatoes to go in there. First thing you need to do is to have soil compost about a quarter of the way up the bag, and then just fold the bag down like this. Really quick, really easy this is, and make sure you've got some holes in the bottom of your bag. So if you've got scissors or something, just stab the bottom and put about a dozen holes in the bag, 6 on each side. Oops. Try not to throw it. Potatoes do require quite a bit of water, so you will need to water these quite a lot. And the compost is just a multi-purpose compost, so you have enough food in there to get the potatoes growing. And all I'm going to do, cameraman, come over here, so you can see in here, is make a hole, put it in so it's roughly about twice the depth of the potato, and cover it up. And I'd put one there, one there, one there, one there, dead easy. So go back a little bit, and as these potatoes start to grow, it's just the same as when they grow in your garden. You would normally start to earth them up, and the reason that we earth them up is to protect the young shoots from frost. Hopefully we won't have that problem at this time of the year, but you never know. But it also increases the yield by earthing it up and encouraging the shoots to produce potatoes as well. A bit difficult in here, but as the shoots start to grow, all you need to do is to add some more compost in there. And what you could do is, if you've got some old hanging baskets with winter plants in, once you take those plants out, provided you've got no pests or diseases in there, just empty that compost in there. Put it in quite gently, but don't worry about squashing the stems. They'll soon grow back up through there. And as the crop grows, pull the top up and just keep filling up. And in an ideal world, you'll probably fill up with compost to about halfway up the bag. You will need to water regularly, and I would say probably every other day, put in about a third of a watering can of water in there, just to keep the compost moist and to keep it growing. Place this somewhere sunny, and I expect, where are we now, May, June, July, end of July into August, you'll probably have some potatoes in here, and it's so easy to harvest. All you'll need to do is to tip the bag out and harvest your lovely potatoes. What could be better? So that's potatoes. And another crop which has been in the news a lot recently, which we'll have a look at, is pasta. Pasta, really easy to grow. It's an unknown crop in the UK for being grown, really easy. And we're going to grow spaghetti. And one of the best ways of growing spaghetti is in a window box or a trough, dead easy. And don't fill it up too full with compost. You want it about 2/3 of the way up. And similar reason to the potatoes, where we need to fill back up with compost to encourage it to root easily. One of the most important things with growing spaghetti, growing a haircut desperately need a haircut. It's not happening at the moment. I was saying one of the most important things with spaghetti is that you get the right size. So you do need to measure and get yourself a good tape measure. And each one should be 8.5 centimetres. So out of a piece of spaghetti you will get a few, and what I normally do is measure one exactly, which is about there. Cut that, and then line your others up the size of the spaghetti, and you'll get them all the right size. It's worth spending a little bit of time getting this right. Okay. Lovely. The trick with spaghetti is you don't need to worry about polarity. It doesn't matter which way up it goes, it will manage to root and grow. But what you do need to do is to push it in, come a little bit closer, about a third depth, and space it approximately 10 centimetres apart. So in a trough you can stagger the rows like that. And again, once you've got the others, measure the size. There we go. This is a crop we don't normally teach at Hadlow. Don't know why. Give it a water. Because it grows in Mediterranean areas, it likes to be dry, and that will root really quickly. It does take a little while before it starts to grow and bush out and produce lovely fresh spaghetti, but you'll probably get fresh spaghetti in about 6 to 7 weeks. Let us know how you get on with both your potatoes and spaghetti, and remember, never stop growing.